Guys, today is the day, August 9th, 2021 is the day that I should hit 10,000 subscribers. I am 21 subscribers away as of the filming of this video. And I just want to thank all of my loyal subscribers, and I hope you guys have appreciated the content so far, but there will be a lot more coming. 2 weeks from today, I'll be moving into my new house with the new garage, and I'm gonna have a 2-post lift in there. So more better content is coming. I just really wanted to take this chance to thank my diamond donors. Luis, who is my very first diamond donor, and his company Rio Toro have been fantastic. Windshield Wow is my latest diamond donor. And for Windshield Wow, I just did a giveaway, and the guy that I gave it to made an awesome video and sent it to me. So I wanted to share that with you.
Hey Aaron, I appreciate you sending this out to me. Thank you to you and Windshield Wow. This thing's pretty awesome. I've been using this for about a week now. I can't say enough about it. If you're going to order one, definitely get the Pro version. It has the handle, comes in handy, if you know what I mean. Anyway, this thing's so easy that even a college kid could use it.
Thanks, Dad.
Hey, don't forget to do your mom's car afterwards.
Bye.
All right, again, Aaron, thank you. I do appreciate your channel. Help me DIY. It has helped me tremendously on my Porsche Boxster. Keep up the good work. I do appreciate it. Thank you.
How fantastic was that? Thank you so much for doing that. And thanks to all of my members. If you are interested in becoming a member, there's a link right here that tells you a little bit about the membership. If this channel has helped you, saved you guys some money, please consider becoming a member for as little as $1.99 a month. You can help out the channel, help me produce this great content. And it also gets you some access to some behind the scenes stuff that I post for my members only. So I hope you guys will join me. And another little plug, most of my content is BMW and Boxster related. So for you guys, I have the I Am the Warranty shirts. So feel free to get one of those. Also help support the channel. Again, I'm just very grateful, guys. I'm super excited to get to 10,000 subscribers. Next up, 100,000. Let's do it. Oh, and as promised, when I do hit 10,000, which will be tomorrow, I'll be giving away another one of my shirts. So if you would like to win one of those shirts absolutely free, I'll ship it straight to you. All you have to do is be subscribed to the channel. You'd be surprised how many people enter my contests and aren't actually subscribed to my channel. So please subscribe to the channel. Give this video a thumbs up and leave a comment in the comment section telling me why you have liked this channel, how it has helped you, and I will pick one of the comments tomorrow and send you a free shirt. So good luck, everybody. Thanks for watching, and I will see you next week.